I am Ignacio Ramos, professor at Chilean University. I'm living here since 2022. I'm here teaching Spanish culture and language. My first contact with Chinese culture was before I was born. My dad came here in 1976 and I was born 2 years later. He came over to China and brought to Spain some souvenirs. The experience of China touched him very deeply. He thought China will surely re-emerge as a great country. When I was a little boy, I had already a contact with China through many stories that my father told us. Chile is a province with blue skies, beautiful nature, and very special winters. I have traveled a bit. I went to Jilin. I go with my friend to Hunchun. You can see 3 countries, Russia, North Korea, and China. We went along the Tumen River to the Chanbaishan. That was very beautiful, very nice. I went also to the lake Chakan in Dongyuan and saw people how they fish in the ice and so on. That was also very impressive. 知者不惑，仁者不忧，勇者不惧. I have even taken some sentences of the Chinese classics and put music according to a Spanish song. 大音希声，他乡无形。大音希声，他乡无形。